Alrighty, let's see here. I'm gonna go in here and find the cat. It's very dark in here. Let's see. Oops, wrong one. There is Sabrina. Hi, Sabrina. Hi. It's Sabrina. And, sorry. I'm gonna go over here and find Pepe. Hi. Say hi, Pepe. Alrighty. I gotta go to my room and I'm gonna. By the way, this is my cool TV. As you can see. Pretty cool. And we're going to check out some of my stuff in here. This is my Kiss stuff. All that. I got some wrestling stuff up there. I got some Disney stuff here. And my Star Wars stuff is right over here. Alright, that's pretty cool.